and white color combination. This vehicle is yellow, blue and white and beautiful. Spider-Man is here. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see this is very nice and beautiful place. So friends, today I have a new bucket. So friends, now I will collect some toy vehicles in this place. So wasting any more time, let's go. Where is toy? Where is toy? Wow friends, at first I see my first toy vehicle is here. Oh no, this is very nice and beautiful color combination, flying horse. Wow, this is very funny toy, so I collect this one at my bucket. And next one, wow, next one is here. Yes, this is a Spider-Man car. See, this is very nice and beautiful Spider-Man car. This is a yellow and black color combination, this car. What is this here? Oh, this is one more. Yes, this is very nice and red, white, black color combination. This runner car. Oh, here is a V2 racing car. This is yellow, blue and white color combination racing car. Is very nice and beautiful. Wow, here is a four-wheeler Jeep car. This is red, black and white color combination. This is a Jeep car. Oh, yeah, here is a police bike. Wow, this is brand new UN Force police bike with a police. This is blue and white color combination, this vehicle. Whoa, this is a bus. See, this is six-wheeler RAV super bus. It's very nice and beautiful color combination, this bus. You can see here is many RAV sticker. Oh, next one is here, R17 high-speed bike. This is very nice red and black color combination. This is my favorite model bike. Wow, this is a Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw. You can see this is very nice auto rickshaw. You see this auto rickshaw in city. Wow, this is yellow, white and black color combination. This realistic model plastic dog. Whoa, this is a one more here. See, this is six-wheeler animal truck. Wow, this is orange, black and pink color combination. This animal truck. And this is the last one, is a police car. You can see friend, this is very nice police car. This is pink, yellow and green color combination, this car. Wow, so I also collect this one at my bucket here. So friends, you can see my bucket is fulfilled with many toy vehicles. So friends, now I will see you all of these toy vehicles together. Wow, how many toy vehicles is here? Oh no, this is very nice and beautiful color combination, many toy vehicles. So friends, I hope you like this video. Now I will ending my video. Tata, bye bye.